In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to update. Then click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Next, go to ChatGPT and paste in a simple prompt asking it to write a short under construction page message for a business. Ask for a friendly headline, one short line explaining that the website is being updated, and a brief message telling visitors how they can get in touch in the meantime. Keep the request concise so the result is ready to paste directly into a Wix page. Once ChatGPT gives you the text, copy the generated content. Return to Wix and click Pages and Menu on the left side of the editor. Add a new page and choose a blank page. Name it Under Construction, then open that page in the editor. Clean up the layout so the page has one simple main section. This helps keep the message clear and easy to read. Add a text element for the headline and paste in the headline from ChatGPT. Then add another text element underneath it and paste in the short website update message. After that, add one more text element for the contact message and paste that in as well. If you want, you can also add a button or a contact form so visitors have an easy way to reach out while the site is being updated. After the content is in place, adjust the layout, spacing, and alignment so everything looks polished and centered on the page. When the page looks the way you want, open the Pages and Menu panel again and set the Under Construction page as the main landing page for the site. This makes sure visitors are directed to that page when they open your website. Before publishing, switch to Mobile View and check that the layout still looks clean and readable on smaller screens. Then click Preview to test the page. If everything looks correct, click Publish in the top right corner. Finally, open the live website and confirm that the Under Construction page is now showing properly for visitors. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.